This is a 100-ton king dump truck. The hydraulic piston rod on it was indeed straight before it bent. To restore it to its original function, they need to place the piston rod on a press, adjust the angle, and apply pressure. During the correction process, the craftsmen need to apply pressure multiple times. Because the craftsmen have extensive experience and skills, they can determine if the piston rod is straight just by visually inspecting it. However, for parts that are significantly bent, the craftsman will make fine adjustments to ensure the piston rod is corrected to the ideal state. After the correction is completed, the bent hydraulic piston rod is repaired and can be assembled. The craftsman will install the buffer cylinder head and then tighten the piston's fixing bolts. To ensure the bolts are properly secured, the nut usually needs to be tapped with a hammer to prevent it from loosening in the future. Once the large bolts are tightened, they will use tools to tighten the surrounding circle of fixing bolts. After confirming everything is secure, the rod can be installed back on the truck. This installation is relatively simple. Before inserting the cylinder, some lubricant needs to be applied to the cylinder head to avoid damaging the seal ring. Then, the piston rod is reinstalled in its original position. This process requires two craftsmen working together, using a hammering method to ensure the support can be installed inside the cylinder. After the piston rod is assembled, the outer fixed cylinder head is reinstalled. Since there is no tool of the right size, the craftsman uses a chain to modify a custom tool to tighten it. After the bolts are securely tightened, the hydraulic oil that was drained is refilled. Once refilled, the cylinder is operated slowly to align the top position with the upper pin. When it reaches the correct position, the locking pin is hammered back into place. After the installation is secured, the system is tested. If everything is functioning correctly, the job is successfully completed. It's obvious that after several tests, the movement of the truck bed is very smooth. The owner can now drive the truck on the road with peace of mind. It's truly impressive.